Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix some keys on laptop or keyboard not working in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to select the start icon and select the settings. On left side select accessibility. On right side you just need to scroll down and select the keyboard. And you just need to make sure the filter keys are turned off. And after that just to close off here. Method 2, you just need to select the start icon and select settings. On left side select accessibility. On right side you just need to scroll down and select the keyboard. You just need to scroll down and turn on the on-screen keyboard. And after that just to close stuff here. Now go to search menu and type with this on-screen keyboard device manager. Select the device manager and open it. After opening the device manager, expand the keyboard section and right click on your keyboard listed out here and select uninstall device and select the uninstall the device guys. After that you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third method guys. You just need to go to search menu and type use of this on-screen keyboard task scheduler. Click on open it. You just need to expand this task scheduler library and expand the Microsoft and expand the Windows. In Windows you just need to scroll down and find text services framework. Text services framework, just click on it. After selecting the text services framework, on right side you just need to select the enable option and select run. After selecting the run, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If all these methods didn't work, then you may have hardware issues. You must change the keyboard with a new one. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.